Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook good steak. First, select a quality cut, ideally 1 1/2 inches thick or more. Allow your steak to come to room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This ensures even cooking. Pat it completely dry with paper towels, then season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. This preparation is crucial for a perfect crust. Now, let's talk about that incredible sear. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado. Place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a deep, golden brown crust. Resist the urge to move it around too much during this stage. After searing, transfer your steak to a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven to finish cooking. Use a meat thermometer to hit your desired doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 135 degrees. During the last few minutes, you can baste with butter, garlic, and herbs. Crucially, let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes off the heat before slicing. This keeps it incredibly juicy. Finally, the moment of truth. When slicing, always cut against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Serve your perfectly cooked steak immediately with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Remember, cooking a great steak is a skill that improves with practice. Enjoy the delicious results of your efforts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.